Stars don't always shine in the night. Sometimes, nestled away in little corners, they shine all the time, brightening lives, strengthening economies, and enriching the world. A beacon of progress and promise. Spng Group has been working relentlessly in the recycling domain to make more from less. Let us tell you their fascinating story. A part of the burgeoning Spng Group has carved a niche for itself with a reputation for excellence in the domains of yarn, recycled polyester stable fiber, agro products and steel, inspired by the founders of Spng, Shri Pyarelal and Shri Nand Kishore Galvalia, to a dynamic people from Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand at Kashipur. Spng Group firmly believes that quality is not an act, it's a habit. With that belief coursing through its ethos, the group diversified into polyester spun yarn under the brand name Spng Yarn at the turn of the millennium in the year 2000, with the Kashi Vishwanath Textile Mill Private Limited ushering in a new era of socially responsible and eco-friendly products for the textile industry. Taking on the social responsibility to give a healthy environment to our coming generations, the group decided to start PET bottle recycling under the brand name Green Earth RPSF, bringing forth the most relevant solution to avoid used plastic bottles from going into landfills. The used PET bottles are given a new lease of life by turning them into usable fiber by the textile industry. Under the watchful eyes of thorough professionals and with the finest world-class machinery, the plant processes over 4 billion bottles per day. These used bottles are collected specifically from hilly areas and other parts of India and are then chopped and melted. The molten material is then reformulated into spun tow and RPSF. This fiber is dyed and spun to create Spng yarn, which subsequently is turned into fabric for eco-friendly products. The vision was to minimize pollutants in the surrounding environment while reducing the demand for petrochemicals, energy, and mining. Today, the facility at Kashi Vishwanath Textile Mill Private Limited houses state-of-the-art machinery and follows strict adherence to quality. And a world-class R&D lab to push the envelope of possibilities further every day. The products thus created are not just used for domestic consumption by companies across India, but are also exported to countries like Brazil, Morocco, Italy, Egypt, Thailand, Turkey, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and many more. The commitment of Spng towards the environment is indisputable. Surrounded by greenery in the hills of Uttarakhand, the plant includes a water treatment plant that ensures the water used for production purposes doesn't pollute the environment. And that's why, after multiple layers of processing, the residual water is evaporated through special means at the Effluent Treatment Plant or ETP. This has been an interesting story of true success that makes a difference to people's lives.